Hey, it's Lisa with Beaute, and I want to tell you about this gorgeous palette from Beaute. It's Nostalgia. The colors are just incredible, so beautiful. Pigmentation is wow. It's a total of 15 shades, which are 3 shimmers and 12 matte shades. The colors are so bright and so beautiful, very pigmented. They feel very velvety and soft to the touch. The shimmers are so gorgeous and have that show-stopping effect. I went in with beige for my entire eyelid, flower on the crease, working it in, hiking on the outer V, blending it inward, fun on the lid, using my finger and blending it in with the brush. I took a fluffy brush into fun and went in lightly on my brow bone, hiking on my lower eyelash, stargazing on my inner corner, and this is the final look. They are great quality, easy to work with, bright and beautiful. So if you're looking to have some fun with your makeup and have colors that are as beautiful as a rainbow, I recommend this palette, and that's my point of view.